Around the Mid-South today, we got milder weather with some scattered showers. Now, as far as the rain is concerned, take a look at exact track, and this is the forecasted amounts through 9 o'clock. At that point, not a whole lot over the area, but then tonight, early tomorrow, the threat for rain picking up, and you can see a big difference there over the Tennessee-Kentucky border versus the southern counties. Some of those northern areas could get 1 to 2 inches of rain, and if you watch the morning cast, this is actually a little different than the numbers that we had on the morning cast, especially for our southern locations. Similar story, too, showing up in a second with the exact tracked amounts for snowfall. That's why we tell you that right now these amounts are not written in stone. We'll continue to watch and play with them as we look at more data this afternoon and in the evening. So ice coming in tomorrow. Rain in the morning for most of our area for rush hour, but a slow transition to freezing rain, sleet, and then to snow. Many areas in that transition could get 1/10 of an inch of ice. So let's talk about the snow. Here we go. Now this is exact track at midday. Not much going on out there. That transition very slow. Now these amounts are a little different than what we had on the morning run of exact track. So again, continuing to play with the data here, but we'll continue to watch it and fine tune it for you. There is a look at the flood watch that is out, and a couple of the southern counties, because of the new data coming in, have been trimmed for the flood watch, but they include most of the northern middle and most of Kentucky. We've got the winter storm warning now for West Tennessee, most of Middle Tennessee, most of Kentucky under a winter storm watch. Stay with us because that could change later in the day. Here's how exact track plays this out. Area showers this afternoon, but the thunderstorm threat is going to be late tonight and early tomorrow. Won't rule out 1 or 2 strong storms, but most should remain below severe limits. Midday tomorrow. Here we go, Wednesday. If this version of exact track holds up, then you'll note that rain snow line is still well north of Nashville by lunchtime tomorrow. That transition then happening very slowly. Now this one doesn't take that rain snow line into the metro area until after sunset tomorrow. So again, that's one of the key things that we'll keep an eye on. High confidence that this is going to be a high impact event for everybody. Confidences are a little lower as far as amounts at this point, and we'll continue to watch and play with those numbers and fine tune those numbers for you this afternoon and overnight tonight. Then by tomorrow, it's going to be cold. Highs only hitting the mid-20s. There's what you can expect if you are out and about this afternoon. So real sky indicating a breezy afternoon, south wind at around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Then we'll get the rain moving across the Mid-South for us tonight. And then late tonight toward tomorrow morning, even a few thunderstorms could be embedded with that line of rain as it works its way across the area. There's a current look at the 7-day. Quick shot of cold air. Then we're back into the 50s by Sunday and Monday. Oh, yeah, by the way, lost in all of this, it's time change weekend coming up on late Saturday night and early Sunday morning. I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Stick with News Channel 5 for the very latest on this weather situation.